Hi, everyone. This video will introduce you to how to troubleshoot the OBS not recording full screen issue in 6 workable solutions. Solution 1. Make sure display capture is selected. Open OBS on your computer. In the source section, click the plus icon. Select display capture from the menu. Give it a name and click OK to add it to your current scene. Change the properties according to your needs. Click OK. Then click Start Recording to record the full screen. Solution 2. Reset Transform in OBS. Right-click on the source. Navigate to Transform. And choose the Reset Transform option. Hit Start Recording to have a try. Solution 3. Add OBS in Graphics Settings to set preference. In the search bar, type into Graphics Settings and click Open. Choose Desktop App under the Add an App section. Click on the Browse button. Go to the folder where the OBS is saved. Choose the OBS64.exe option and click Add. Solution 4. Disable Game Mode on Windows. Open Settings by pressing the Windows and I keys. Hit the Gaming option. Click on Game Mode. And toggle off the Game Mode option. Solution 5. Change the compatibility mode of OBS. Right-click on OBS and choose Show More Options. Click on Properties. Switch to the Compatibility tab. Check the Run this program in compatibility mode for option. Then click Apply and OK sequentially. Solution 6. Use MiniTool Video Converter. Run MiniTool Video Converter on your PC. Move to the Screen Record module. Click on the Click to Record screen region to access MiniTool Screen Recorder. It will record the full screen by default. You can select whether to record audio from the system or microphone or neither. Click the Settings icon to adjust other recording settings. Then click OK to save the changes. Click the Record button to start recording the full screen. At last, press F6 to finish the recording. Later, you can right-click the recording to preview, delete, rename, or locate it. Thanks for watching. For any questions, please leave comments or contact us via support@minitool.com.